Today we're in the Aldi Aisle of Shame, and there's so many good finds here that beat Amazon and Walmart. I can't wait to show you. So many new gardening items this week. The thing that I'm most excited about are these teacup planters. You guys, these are so adorable. They come in two different colors. You have the pink and the blue. Look at this teacup. They also have a ceramic watering can one, just $9.99. How gorgeous would this be for a Mother's Day gift? You could put a plant in here. I love this. This would make such a good gift. Just add in your favorite plants. How adorable is that? Now, if you like this print, you're gonna love all of these different items because they have that same print for so many things. They have the gardening gloves. They also have these decorative hand tools. I think these are adorable. These are $9.99 as well. Do you need a watering wand? This is just $4.99. I bought something similar on Amazon that was so much more expensive. They have a blue one and they also have this pink one. Do you need some new solar lights? These are little solar metal lanterns. They come in 3 different colors. You could put them outside. They also have where you can hang them up. These are $7.99. They have these pop-up garden bags for $6.99. They also have a foldable garden tool bag. This one is $9.99. You guys, look at these $6.99 solar lights. This on Amazon would be so much more expensive. This is a nice solar light and I love that you can hang it up. I don't know, do I need these? I really like them. Did you know that Aldi carries outdoor furniture? I didn't know that, and it's super affordable. This rattan chair that comes with an ottoman is just $49.99. $12.99, that seems like a good deal for these garden shears and they look like really good quality. I'm gonna look online, but I think this is a deal. If you're into fairy gardens, this is a whole 12-piece kit that you can get for $12.99, and I think it's really cute. So many good spring finds. Have you guys seen these bird feeders? They look like picnic tables. You can put the bird food up here, and supposedly if a squirrel or bird comes up, it looks like they're sitting and eating. I think this would be a good one to get. They also have it in a rattan chair. These are both $9.99. They have these large trough planters. They also have the liners if you just need to replace the liners. My store has quite a bit right now. There's several grilling accessories that you can choose from this week as well. There's even more outdoor items over here on this wall. Now these rugs, you guys, you know rugs are hard to find at an affordable price. So they have $39.99 for these rugs. There's 4 different styles. These are the 5x7 rugs, but behind me, they have even larger rugs. These are 6.5 by 9.5, and these don't have a price, so maybe they're free. I'm guessing they're maybe $50. We'll put the price right here. You can get a 2-pack of outdoor pillows for just $9.99. They have a giant Connect 4 game right now. Do you guys remember when we saw this at Costco last month? I feel like this is very popular. Also, there's this reversible planter. So it has a base that you can put on it, which is kind of cool. It kind of elevates your planter. You could put 2 of these on your patio or by your front door. These outdoor folding chairs are just $39.99. You guys, this is such a good deal. You're not gonna be able to beat that on Amazon. If you need a fire pit, they have this outdoor fire globe for $49.99. This whole pink section over here is all the stuff they have out for Mother's Day. These totes I was impressed with. Look at the handles on these. They fold up really compactly. Like, we didn't think it was this big. They come in a bunch of different colors. I feel like I need one of these totes. Look at all the different colors you can get it in. I'm not seeing prices on everything, so I'm not sure of the exact price on this. And they have really nice regular cards for $9.99. These are better than the ones at Dollar Tree. How adorable are these pop-up Mother's Day cards? They're priced at $1.99. Definitely feel like they're one I want to get. They have this style, or they also have the boxes. My store is already selling out of these, so if you want them, head to your store. If you need a hummingbird feeder, or this would make a great Mother's Day gift, my store has them in a ton of different colors. Do you guys remember the bubble planter from Walmart? This reminds me so much of that one. It's actually a little bit bigger and it comes in 2 different colors. You can get this like peachy color, or they have a gray color. And then down at the bottom, they have a green color. This planter is $6.99. I have to show you guys this unique candle that they have out this week. This, I've never seen a candle like this before. It's a 3-part candle, and what I love about it is there's different scents. So you can burn the scent you like, and it's 3 candles in one. So they have this one that's kind of got like this champagne light pink color. They also have one in green. You can see the 3 different scents. They have the watermelon. This one says sunshine, and that one says pink sea salt. I think the one I'm gonna get, you guys probably already guessed it, this blue one back here. I don't know, actually I really like the pink one. I do think the blue would be better in my house. This one is coconut water, magnolia, and apricot. I don't know, let me know which one you guys would get. I think I found the best dupe here. This is a dupe for the Laneige lip sleeping mask. You guys know how much that is on Amazon, but we found this one. It comes in 2 different scents. There's a berry one like the Laneige. They also have a vanilla one. It's priced at $5.49. Let's get it and try it out. I actually have both, so let's compare. So let me remind you guys what the Laneige looks like before we open up the one from Aldi's. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It also comes with this scooper so you can get it out, and it has 0.7 ounces, but it is kind of pricey. So now let's check out the one from Aldi. Okay, so it does have a scoop as well, and this one, you guys, 0.7 ounces. So the exact same size as the Laneige. Let's do the Laneige on my bottom lip. Now, if you haven't tried the Laneige, it's an awesome product. All right, let's compare it to the Aldi one. Now they both are in the berry scent. Okay, that's the difference in the texture. Very comparable though. I think the Aldi one has a little bit more of a berry scent. Very comparable. I would say for the price difference, if you don't mind the berry scent, pick this up at Aldi. I was so impressed with the makeup I bought here the last time we were at Aldi's. I got this lip oil. It was so good that now I want to try more makeup. This week, I'm seeing a setting spray that they have here. They also have a liquid highlighter and then a liquid blush. I think I'm going to pick up this liquid highlighter. You'll have to let me know if these liquid highlighters are a dupe for any that you know. I know they're very popular right now, and it's got a little wand, and all you would do is just put it up here on the top of your cheekbones, rub it in. I'll show you guys on my hand. This one's kind of that champagne color. Oh, that's pretty. Now, if you want more of a like white highlighter, they have that option as well, but I love how subtle it is. I feel like that would be really pretty. This bowl looks so high end. It's $12.99. Now I would get the white one. It also comes in the gray color. They have a propagation station for $9.99. You guys know the one I show you on Amazon. This is a better deal here at Aldi. The metal pedestal fans are $39.99 this week. Look at these, you guys. If you like Sudoku, let me know which way you're supposed to say it. They have these leather-bound books with different puzzles in here. They also have word searches, and they have crosswords. These would be perfect if you're going on a road trip, and they just look gorgeous. Even just sitting out on a coffee table, these are amazing. The quality of these books are so nice. They even have a little bookmark so you can keep your place. I love these. I'm gonna sit these out on my coffee table. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Aldi. I have to show you guys the new water bottles. These are $6.99. Look at all the fun colors they come in. I like that they have the flip top straw. That way, if they fall, they're not gonna leak as much. I feel like these would be perfect for your kids this summer. This week at Aldi, there's a huge section of children's outdoor items. Let me show you some of the best ones. I think the one that I'm probably gonna get are these paintable pots. These can be really expensive. This is $3.99. You get this entire pot, less the paints. I mean, I would love doing this craft, but this is gonna be a perfect activity to do this summer with my girls. I'm gonna pick up 3. All of these children's garden tools are just $3.99, and I feel like they're pretty good quality for the price. They have a children's potting bench for $30. They also have this cute little children's gardening set. These would make great gifts for the summer. Did you know you could get Legos here at Aldi? This little Lego city is priced down to $8.99. It was originally $17.99. You can get this entire pickleball set for just $29.99. It comes with the net, the rackets, and the balls. New this week, you can get a bubble leaf blower. So cute. I think your kids would really enjoy this. It's priced at $13.99. I have to hear from you guys. Have you bought shoes or sandals here at Aldi? I just spotted these. These look exactly like a pair I have off of Amazon. They're a braided sandal just like this. These are only $7.99. They also have this pair. Now this looks very similar to ones that I bought last year at Target. Again, they're just $7.99. Of course, we gotta look at all the new food they have out this week. The Aldi mini muffins are out in 2 new flavors. They have the strawberry and the banana. The specialty pasta is marked down to $2.59. These cinnamon churros look just like the ones from Taco Bell, and they're only $1.29. Let's try them out. Let's try these out. They look very similar to the ones you get at Taco Bell. These taste exactly the same. If you love the cinnamon twist at Taco Bell, these are a steal. This week, they have a whole section of German food. Aldi is coming out with barbecue sauces from different regions. They have, of course, the Kansas City one where we're from. They have a Memphis one. They have one from Carolina. We also saw a Texas one. Let me know down in the comments which one you would pick up. If you like the Poppy soda, they do sell it here at Aldi for $1.99, but they also have a dupe that's the Aldi brand called Pops. This one is $1.59. Let me know if you've tried the Aldi version and what you think of it. I really wanted to try this Pops. I don't drink Poppy, but I really like Sprite Zero, so I wanted to see if it was kind of comparable. Let's try it out. It's really good. If you like Sprite or lemon lime, I think you would like this one. They also have Celsius, they have Alani. Now this Alani is $2.39. They have a dupe version that's $1.49. This one's called Peach Waves. It's supposed to be comparable with the Peach Alani, just a little bit cheaper. I'm gonna pick one of these up. That looks delicious. They also have a spinach and garlic one. The soft pretzels are new this week. They have your traditional one, and then they also have a Bavarian one, and then they have several desserts new this week as well. I'm also gonna get one of these chicken tostadas in the freezer section. Those are priced at $3.89. They also have these complete frozen meal kits for $9.99. Street tacos. I eat tacos once a week, you guys. So these are great for me for a quick meal. I'm excited to try these protein waffles. They're $3.99. Easy breakfast. The cinnamon churros are new this week. Let's get them and try out. Since these ice cream sandwiches are new, I gotta test them out and let you know how they are. Okay, they might have gotten a little bit melted on the way home. Okay, let's try it. Really good. I'm getting a lot of cookie and not a lot of ice cream. And I don't know if it's because my ice cream melted out of the side. But see how there's not a lot of ice cream over here? I think it's just because my ice cream melted. But that's pretty good. The other thing I wanted to show you, have you guys tried these? They're frozen dog treats, little pup cups. I'm gonna try them out with Moose. So Moose will probably love this, you guys. There's not much I give him he does not like. There's 2 flavors. They have a cheese and bacon, and then they also have one called Original. I think he loves it. Let me know if you guys like seeing these Aldi videos. This is the second one we've done on the channel. The first one you guys seem to really like, so let me know if you want to see more in the future. If you're planning a Disney trip or if you love Disney, you need to come to Aldi this week. They have so many great items, all the way down to the ears. These ears, you guys, are just $4.99 and great quality. They have a Scrub Daddy here, just one, and it's priced at $3.49. They have this cute little cooler bag this week in 4 different colors. I think this would make a great little lunchbox. It's $10. My store doesn't have a lot of their rattan purses left, but if you're looking for these or the black one, my store has that one. I was hoping to find this white circular one. I think it would be perfect for the summer. If you're wanting to know what the brown one looks like, I feel like that one is a little too small for me. This black one would be a great belt bag though. Our store has garden soil, potting mix, and mulch priced at $4.99. This time of year, you can pick up your trees for just $14.99. Let me know what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Aldi. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.